If you think that's hot, then drop a like. But if you think that's hot, drop a follow, because I'm right here, baby.
So many people waiting for their packages.
Yes, they are.
This is a frayed potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle tater. Frayed potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big old potato boot.
Is your daddy the meanest man on earth? Is he mean? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Why would he do that before going to the... What are you doing? Oh my God, Louis!
Buddy, here we go. Got it.
Did you eat all of the English muffins? Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
You are very, 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 very good boy. You are very, 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 very good boy.
Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today?
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
Dogs may be rats, but at least I can dress them cute.
His head was too big for this sweater.
Do you want to have a little brother? Should we get you a little brother, huh? Come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on. How many legs for another Great Dane?
75,000 likes. What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
How did this happen? What do you have to say for yourself?
Come on, I'm going bye-bye in the car. Come on, Clyde.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Bye.
Let's go. What, you don't want to leave?
You want to stay here?
All right, bye, Clyde.
Bye. We love you.
See you later.
Be a good boy. He doesn't want to leave.
You want to go in the car? He wants to bring his blanket in the car? Yeah?
Dobie, who's your best friend? Blue Blue, who's your best friend, Blue Blue? Oh, you guys are best friends.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
Dory.
I have yet to see my dearest human poop anywhere. I suspect he may not know how. I have resolved to try and teach him when we patrol the neighborhood each day in search of men with hats and beards. It is embarrassing to do in public, but he must learn somehow.
Down.
Floofy and you know what, do a speak. Speak. If you're floofy and you know it, do a speak. If you're floofy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're floofy and you know it, do a speak.
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
This is a Cane Corso, the most powerful dog on the face of the earth. She's very, 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 very strong. She will tear your arm off for a piece of bologna. Whew. Almost got me.
Things that trigger my dog, part 1. Lizard! There's a lizard! There's a lizard! Mama's home! Mama's home?
What's going on, TikTok? Let me show you how to train your dog to play dead. It's one of the most crowd-pleasing tricks there are. So your dog will need to know how to lie down. You can see my other videos on TikTok or YouTube to learn how to do that. So once your dog is in a down like this, you'll want to focus on luring them just like this on their side. We don't want to lure them all the way over like that because that would be a rollover. We're trying to train play dead. So the lure is very important here. Good. Yes. Good. See how I'm letting her nibble on that treat the whole way? Wait. I'm going to reward her while she's in position. So once your dog has gotten really good at following the lure and they're holding that position, play dead, then you'll want to start phasing out the lure. So play dead. Oh gosh, how do I get her to come back to life? Come alive. Like and follow to learn more about training your dog.
Bite me. No. 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 Kisses. Thank you.
I'm gonna tell you the day my dog almost killed me. This is a true story because I have freaking things in my neck to show you. So I was driving my bike because it was Friday afternoon, whatever. I was just driving my bike around the yard, and I was coming down my driveway. I was coming down that driveway right here, you know, my driveway. My bike doesn't have brakes. I'm gonna show you. There's the bike here. Here are the back brakes. Bike's still moving perfectly fine, you know. You need brakes. Get brakes. And I was coming down here fast, right? Couldn't stop. I looked up and my dog ran across the yard. My dog was tied to a rope swing, to a rope, to his leash. So this is really long. It's probably like 40 feet long, right? And it was extended in the air like this high. My heart dropped. I'm like, I'm dead before hockey. What the heck? Making a part 2.
All right, buddy, Mama's got to go run some errands. I'll be back tonight. No parties, and definitely no girls. All right, I'll see you later.
What in the world is going on?
But I thought I saw something. Well, here's a treat.
Leave him alone.
Come to my right side. Good girl. All right, just stay there. Hachi, don't move. So I want you to go to my left side, okay? And then after you go to my left side, I want you to take 4 steps forward and then sit. Good job, good job. I want you to get up and do a left shuffle with your tongue sticking out. Good job. Now do a right shuffle. And when you do a right shuffle, go get one of your toys. Yeah, one of those. And when you pick it up, I want you to shake it like you're shaking your fans. There you go. Great job.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Okay, so the human husky. You ready to play a game, girl? I'm going to show your fans what you can do. I'm going to give you this bone right here. Now listen. See that bone? Yeah. I'm going to point at you, then point at the bone, then point at you, then point at the bone. Get up, and I want you to walk up to it and step on the left side of it and sniff the right side. Good girl. Sniff the left side of it. Now take 2 steps forward. Stretch. And I want you to lay. There you go. Now, I want you to look at your toys, and I want you to put your nose to the ground. But keep your eyes on the toys, okay? There you go. Now, I want you to look at me with a dramatic face. Good job.
This is a Doberman. They are not mean, they're absolutely adorable, and they're the nicest things around. They would never hurt you. But these, on the other hand, are the worst things ever created.
You're not allowed to have that. You don't know us from a hole in the wall. You're just walking around eating people's buns.
Buddy, you gotta let go. Don't let go.
I won't let go.
Ow. Murphy.
All right, catch. We're going to play Snap Soul. So bring the toy over here and just follow me. Hachi, you too. Well, okay, now turn around. Okay, and I'm going to snap, and I want you to hit Hachi with the toy. But don't be too hard. Okay. Ooh, sorry, Hachi. Okay, so put that toy down. Shouldn't have hit him. All right, I'm going to snap and pick it up. Okay. Just, sorry, Hachi, I love you. Okay, so I'm going to snap, and I want you to put that toy next to my left foot. Good job, sweetie. Now I'm going to snap twice, and I want you to pick it up. All right, don't let me have it. Don't let me have it. All right, so we'll do a little twirl, and then I'm going to snap, and I want you to put it down. Good job, good job. So, good job, Hachi. Come here. Come here, baby. Good.
Guys, what are you doing? Duncan, what did you do to Kirby? He looks like a fucked up Barbie doll. Oh, shit. No, I'm sorry.
What are you doing? What are you doing, lazy butt? What are you doing? Time to get up. Time to get up. Time to get up. Come on. Come on, get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Time to get up. Come on. Come on. No? Rexall. No? All right. Good night.